Subscribe and goes to 1K. Yep, thank you.
You see, we're giving KFC publicity. They're not giving us publicity.
Yeah, it's just not fair, you know?
Bro, we can still see
Don't get a share.
your skinny figure in the background.
Yo!
Bro, you good?
Yes.
What just happened?
I don't know, I put a jumper.
Is that even a jumper?
Yes,
Bro,
sir.
it's like a
That is so small.
big,
Small.
big. Bro, we had food combos, donut and chicken.
Do you want to try it?
But, JB, this is wait. This is mine. Don't drink it.
I didn't. Yeah, you might.
Of course you went for the pink.
Subscribe to you.
Who?
Look.
Oh, you said this
You're disgusting!
You really just wait.
No, I'm just saying, like,
Actually, no, I wasted.
Can't be.
Odds on. What? Out of
10.
10? Okay.
No, 5. I know who
5
we were.
out of 5.
Yeah, 5.
3, 2, 1.
3.
Oh my god, you're supposed to say a number.
I don't want to say anything.
3,
2, 1, 5.
I said 2.
He said 2. You doing it?
Okay.
I said 2.
You're
We're
doing
gonna do it.
What is the odds, bro? Oh, 5.
Odds on with everyone says something against them. All in the sauces, bro. No, get a spoon, No, stop. Gotcha.
Oi! Come on,
That's good, bro.
That's good.
Chill on that.
This is good in the donut. Yeah, come here.
Put that on his as well.
No, man.
Hey, you lost the odds on, not
I'm
him.
gonna dip.
No, you have to do this.
Just stop.
No, put it back in there.
Ah!
The sauce as well.
Oh, that is dirty, bro. I don't know if you can see that, but that is what you call grease, my friend.
See, that's original chicken, yeah? Try, oh shit, my snot.
I'm gonna wake up with diabetes tomorrow. That was me hitting this.
Oh, wait, stop. Can you hear that? Can you hear that? It's the sound of you not talking.
That wasn't even funny, that was just dead.
You know what is dead?
Your mum.
When people say, when did I ask? That's dead.
Yeah. That
That's
pisses
dead.
me off.
You know what's not dead? When did I ask?
Oh, shut
Oh, my God.
Shut up, bro.
We just switch seats.
No, I have no seat.
When did I ask?
Right. But see, you know like how TGF here, they do like the most like extreme stuff that you wouldn't expect them to do. Like most YouTube channels would like clickbait you, but they don't. Like they actually do what they're gonna.
TGF. If you guys haven't watched TGF, you better go watch TGF.
Low power mode.
What I'm
we're
saying-
on a budget here, we're recording an iPhone and now it says low power mode.
No, what I'm saying is that if we actually did like extreme stuff, right? Like crazy challenges and eating that, and I don't know, just like crazy stuff, then like the content would be better, right? Because it'd be like, oh, I didn't expect them to do that.
No, but
Yeah, for the coronavirus, you
No,
know,
we
if you
got-
need spoons.
You know, we got packages and spoons. Bro, you know we're stacked. I'm sorry for flexing on you, but like
Kobe never.
we
gets
are
experience.
stacked, bro.
See,
What?
Kobe, what?
Imagine someone ordered spoons, they didn't get them tonight.
If you guys order spoons tonight, you can get them by Monday, the 5th of March. Wait, what's the date?
free shipping.
What's the date?
I don't know.
Oh,
wait,
It's 7th, it's 7th, it's 7th.
It's the 7th.
Yeah,
You guys can get it by the 5th of July.
They'll be asking about the 10th of the March, Tuesday.
Look at that, beautiful.
Bro,
These are quality spoons.
guys, it's like, what is it? Almost 3 in the morning right now. So if we
Look what
lose,
you've done. There's a piece of chicken on the
That was
floor.
him. Look at my shirt.
Oh my god, please pick that up.
Wait, did you get that in the video?
no, it's almost
It's
3 in the
in fact-
morning. So if we lose to Fremantle
We're not
or
condoned.
Prendeville, you know why. This is why.
Yeah.
See,
have to
whoever,
wake
whoever
up in 3
supplied
hours.
this is a dickhead.
What are you doing? Go.
He's got no bones, so he's got no food.
Comment down below, do you guys like Gyarados or Pikachu?
What the fuck?
No, look, he's got Pikachu socks.
So?
I thought it was a pillow, but it's JB.
You guys are on a KFC bag. You're rubbing grease all over the
Wait,
pillows.
5 years ago, did you just think you'd begin this man was wrestling on top of a KFC bag with a table full of KFC and a donut burger? Alright, shut up. You got the chicken treats. Oi, that was a bag full of chicken. Not because he's black.
So essentially,
And it would have been better if they used the other side. This is a selfie camera.
what needs to happen here?
It would have been better if they used the other side of the phone, because the quality would have been better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah, what is that?
You can't quit complaining, no one cares. You make a bootleg KFC.
I'm getting raped!
Content.
That's WWE for you, mate.
WWE is fake. John Cena does not exist.
Across my face. Did that work? You beat again?
Yeah.
You wanna wrestle?
Be quiet, bro. Relax. Calm down.
Do you have any hidden talents that you want?
Wait, that's sick. How do you make the noises? Oh no, never mind. There's no noises. I'll go to this. Oh, yeah.
Did he fall? Please tell me we got that.
He threw this on my neck. And then chronically.
This is not a mukbang anymore. What essence? We were like in year one, we did like footy tips, like, or everyone was supporting. Actually, no, it wasn't footy tipping. It was wear AFL colours to school day. Everyone was wearing.
Water bottles! What do you guys think of it?
Water bottle flipping.
What water bottles do you buy?
Not plastic.
And why do you buy them?
Tupperware.
Yo, what's...
They're a good brand, bro.
Buy Tupperware. Because you know, good amount of water consumption each day actually promotes your health.
2 liters.
2 liters a day keeps the doctor
Did you know
away.
6 liters of water can kill you?
If your pee's not yellow. Tell me.
It means you're not drinking enough water.
If your pee's not yellow, that's what he just said.
Oh, it means you are drinking enough water. Is that correct?
No.
Just
If
If
your
your pee's not yellow, you drink more water.
No, if your pee's not yellow.
If your pee is yellow, drink more water.
If it's not yellow, you don't drink more water.
Nah.
Brands. What are your favourite brands, Evan?
KFC.
Adidas or Nike? At the moment, in the shoe
Game
game.
at Nike.
Nike? What about you, Joey?
Shoes?
Everlast.
Shoes. Adidas or Nike in the shoe game?
Adidas or Nike? Adidas. Easy.
You reckon? What about you?
Adidas,
I don't think. Oh no.
You reckon?
Nike.
I reckon it's hard because like the
Oh,
Adidas,
actually.
the whole Adidas collection has the whole like Yeezy collection. It's
Yeah.
got the Pharrell
Yeah.
Williams, but the Nike has all like the off-white and it's got like the vintage shoes that I really like the Blazers, all the like the SBs, the Jordans.
Alright,
Like,
shoes, no,
it's
shoes
got-
Nike,
Shoes Nike.
but
Yeah.
clothing Adidas.
Triple black. Yeah. What do you think of these? The Air Forces, you reckon?
Yeah, I reckon. I say so.
Me dog stepped on my foot before.
To the fourth density, we're now all at a high wavelength.
Fuck all of these.
Search EMPCO.
So, yeah, search up the guys.
Search up Anchor, everyone. Anchor.
No,
Came up, bro.
EMPCO, EMPCOU.
Push me. I'm just trying to hug you, man.
Oh, okay, cool.
I'm just glad.
No! No! No!
Terminate the video says, how the fuck do you turn the shit around? How do you turn it around? Fuck you.
Why are you doing it this way? This way, this way. This has been BYM, boys. And we're here. And we'd like to say, like, subscribe. And, yeah, go watch, Ethnicity. Ethnicity, yeah. Good, where's JB? I'm scared of that kid. Where is he gone? Anyway, it's been your boys, BYM boys, Jacob and Karen. Like, subscribe. More content will be coming soon, and we'll be doing more collaborations hopefully. But yeah, thank you very much, and peace.